Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into Apache MXNet, one of the most powerful and flexible deep learning frameworks that's revolutionizing how we build AI applications. Whether you're a beginner exploring machine learning or an experienced developer looking for a scalable solution, this video will give you everything you need to know about MXNet. So, let's get started. Apache MXNet is an open-source deep learning framework designed for both efficiency and flexibility. But what makes it special? Unlike some frameworks that force you to choose between ease of use and performance, MXNet gives you both. It supports both imperative and symbolic programming, which means you can prototype quickly and deploy at scale. Let me show you how simple it is to get started. Here's a basic neural network in MXNet. See how clean and intuitive that is? But MXNet's real power lies in its architecture. Let's explore the key features that make MXNet stand out from the crowd. Feature 1. Flexible programming models. First, MXNet supports both imperative and symbolic programming. Imperative programming is great for debugging and research. You can execute operations immediately and see results. Symbolic programming, on the other hand, is perfect for production deployment with optimized performance. Feature 2. Language support. MXNet supports multiple programming languages: Python, R, Scala, Julia, and more. This means you can use MXNet in whatever language your team is most comfortable with. Feature 3. Scalability. MXNet scales effortlessly from your laptop to distributed clusters with hundreds of GPUs. It uses parameter servers for efficient distributed training. Feature 4. Memory efficiency. MXNet uses innovative memory optimization techniques, including in-place operations and memory sharing, making it incredibly memory efficient compared to other frameworks. Now, you might be wondering, with so many deep learning frameworks available, why should you choose MXNet? Reason 1. Performance. MXNet consistently ranks among the top performers in benchmark tests. It's optimized for both training speed and inference performance. Reason 2. AWS integration. MXNet is the official deep learning framework for Amazon Web Services. This means seamless integration with AWS SageMaker, EC2, and other cloud services. Reason 3. Production ready. Companies like Netflix, Microsoft, and Wolfram Research use MXNet in production. It's battle-tested at scale. Reason 4. Active community. MXNet has a vibrant community with regular updates, extensive documentation, and strong support from both Apache Foundation and major tech companies. Let's look at some exciting real-world applications where MXNet is making a difference. Computer vision. MXNet powers advanced computer vision applications, from medical image analysis to autonomous vehicle perception systems. Natural language processing. In NLP, MXNet handles everything from sentiment analysis to machine translation. Companies use it for chatbots, document analysis, and language understanding. Recommendation systems. Netflix uses MXNet for their recommendation algorithms, processing billions of interactions to suggest content you'll love. Financial services. Banks and trading firms use MXNet for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. Ready to get started with MXNet? Here's what you need to know. Installation. Installation is straightforward with pip or conda. Learning resources. Check out these amazing resources: official MXNet documentation, dive into Deep Learning book, free online, MXNet Gluon tutorials, Apache MXNet GitHub repository. Quick start example. Apache MXNet is truly a powerhouse framework that combines flexibility, performance, and scalability. Whether you're building your first neural network or deploying enterprise-scale AI systems, MXNet has the tools you need.
Key takeaways: flexible programming models for any workflow, multi-language support, exceptional performance and scalability, strong industry adoption, active community, and AWS backing. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep learning content. Drop a comment below about what MXNet project you're planning to build. I'd love to hear about it.